Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to duplicate a Shopify store. Before copying any data, set up your new Shopify store manually. Choose and install the same theme and recreate your shipping, tax, payment, and checkout settings manually. Also adjust other preferences like currency or domain to match your main store. Now log into your original Shopify admin dashboard, then go to either products or customers. Click the Export button on the top right corner, then select all products or all customers. Click Export Products or Export Customers. You'll receive an email with your exported CSV file. Now move the exported data into your duplicate Shopify store. Log into your new Shopify store and open either products or customers, then click Import. Choose the CSV file you downloaded earlier and click Import Customers or Import Products to finish. Your new Shopify store will now contain all your customer and product data from the original store. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.